second edition. Dude, it is gonna be a crazy day. The weather is awesome. It's
amazing out here.
It is nice. It's a little windy, it's a little nippy, but man.
Smell the freedom in the air right now, right? You smell it?
Yeah, yeah. Actually, that's two-stroke oil and
hot dogs, lemonade.
Two-stroke oil and hot dogs?
Papa John's?
I don't know.
Bald Eagles.
Man, the S10 is looking pretty sharp. Dude, we got this thing aligned yesterday. Everything's looking really, really good. We're gonna try and go take it for a little test trip here and see what this thing feels like.
Today's the day.
Today is the day, George.
No matter what, it's gonna be the day.
All right, well, let's fire this thing up, man. Watching it suck that screen right in there.
Alright.
Not working?
Not working.
Alright, so guys, we were still kind of messing around with our two-step controller right there. We're going to try and get a button and possibly do some reprogramming in order to get that thing just right. If we make any passes today, it's probably not going to have the two-step working, so that we can't really leave on boost. Felt like
it's got a forward front?
Yeah.
Yes!
Alright, so this is our quick little rip right here, and it felt like it just lost a whole bunch of power, George. What do you think, bud?
I think she got a little hot, man. We found us a little tiny coolant leak right here in this dadgum hose, so I tightened it up a little bit. It looks like she might have sucked a little air in, right?
Yeah, I think if that's the case,
we're gonna have to bleed it through our little emergency bleeder valve right here.
Yep.
And get some more water in and try it again, man, because we ain't got so much time.
Yep, this thing, once it gets really hot, the overflow, it just pukes it all out. So we got a big old air bubble in there. All right, we're gonna go back to our trailer, get this junk figured out. Well, we thought we were gonna go back to the pits.
Took a minute, well, here we go.
We had to do it all here. We got somebody came up.
Had a couple cool guys come help us out.
Give us some water.
Give us the jump. The whole shebang.
Yeah, so guys, to all you guys that helped, that's freaking awesome. We definitely couldn't do it without you guys. So
thank you.
That was like 7,200 or all right,
everything's bigger in Texas. like rev limiters.
Let's take this real quick here. All right, so we had a little coolant problem earlier. Feeling all right. It's definitely circulating, old Georgie. This is a freaking wild turnout here at Cleetus and Cars, man. You guys got to make this event sometime. This is freaking crazy. This is like definitely the most people we've ever had checking out this truck, man.
Ready to make this first pass, man?
Let's do it, man. Sorry, the shifter just broke.
What?
The shifter just broke. Here, let's kill it. Let me kill it. Okay. Hey, my shifter broke. We'll be able to fix it in a second, okay?
Alright, no problem, dude. Don't worry. Shifter broke?
Yeah.
And then we'll put you back in.
Yeah.
Just, So it should be good.
Rocking and rolling?
She's rocking and rolling, buddy.
Hell yeah. the most exciting 13.5 that I've ever had in my life, or whatever that was, 13.6? 13.6. All right, now a 13.6 is like almost nothing to be happy about, but hey dude, I'm happy. You know
So
what?
happy.
That's the first time, shaking all the jitters out, just But dude, tell me from the back. How
Dude,
did it look from the back?
squirrely.
Because it felt like I was riding something that was trying to shake me off. It was like all sorts of like cattywampus and stuff. So I mean, I just had to lift a whole bunch of times and see what it was gonna do, man. But pretty wild.
Pulled pretty good though, huh?
Yeah, that's the most sensational 13-second pass I've ever had.
Yeah.
Say that.
So it did a little two-wheel burnout, but it definitely looks like it was leaving in four-wheel.
Yeah. Okay. Dude, it was pretty weird, man. Definitely weird. I want to try and make another pass again. We'll see what we can do. But it's definitely like really persnickety. Let's just say that.
Yeah.
Pretty weird.
And
man.
we had a little shifter problem. Our shifter came apart in there.
Yeah,
so
let's try and tighten that up.
Go ahead.
Quick, man.
I'm gonna go find some Loctite.
Well, check this out. We just put this thing on the scales here, 3480 with me in it. I really don't know if that scale is right, but 3480 with me in it, that sounds pretty good.
So how'd that one feel?
Definitely sketchy. It's super floaty because I think the toe is messed up, but we're gonna see, man. We're gonna see. Let me.
Hey, you went over 100.
Yeah. I was feathering the throttle just to try and see how it would do there. So guys, on that last pass right there, I did only stay in third gear because the thing was kind of pulling really hard to the right. I did want to be able to push it just a little bit farther, see how the thing felt at speed, but kind of the faster I went, the more it started to, it wasn't like a linear feel. It was kind of like you go a little bit to the left, it goes left, you go a little bit to the right, and it goes a lot to the right. So it was just a little bit to hang on to. We're back in Florida here and now, and thank God for a safe trip, and for everybody that came out for Cleetus and Cars. It was a hell of an event. If you guys haven't ever been to a Cleetus and Cars, you have to go. Cleetus puts on an amazing show, and he is definitely a top-notch entertainer, so you guys got to check that out. But I had the truck realigned today, and I took it out for a test drive, and it is night and day. At speed, the thing goes straight as an arrow. Turns out a couple of things were a little bit off, like I suspected with the toe. Guys, getting those couple passes under our belt was tremendous. Given the last time we tried to do something like that, our wheel flew off. We have since fixed all of those suspect areas, and we have a clear direction of what we're going to do next. Now, I need to be able to get a tablet up in there so that I can monitor RPM and all my other sensors and so on and so forth. That was supposed to have been installed before we got there, but unfortunately it just didn't come in time. So guys, thank you so much for watching. This has been a monumental trip. In closing, I wanted to end this on a personal twist. I just wanted to kind of share with you guys some of the stuff that gets us amped up or really motivates some of us, and I wanted to share with you guys a little bit of music. I mean, it could be anything from gospel to metal or whatever, but this one in particular is one of my favorite songs. I just wanted to share it with you guys. Check out Blue on Black. Actually, Five Finger Death Punch just did a remake of the Kenny Wayne Shepherd original. Check that out. Hope you guys enjoy it. God bless you guys. We'll see you next time. One more thing, totally forgot here. If you guys have not yet subscribed and you like what you're seeing, we are going to get this thing, the S10, going to the moon here, guys. So just hang in there, and it's going to get going a lot faster soon. So Do please like, share, and subscribe. Let's get this turbo kit going on George's truck here with the quickness. All right, guys, see you next time.
Christian over there being a little creepy.